A visitor visa, temporary resident visa, is an official document placed in your passport that confirms you meet the requirements to enter Canada. It is for tourism, visiting family, or business-related visits. Typically, it is valid for up to 10 years for multiple entry visas, or until your passport or biometric expires. Citizens of countries that are not visa exempt must apply for a visitor visa. To find out if you need a visa, check the requirements. Some travelers may be eligible for an electronic travel authorization, ETA, instead of a visa. The basic requirements to apply for a visitor visa include having a valid passport, being in good health, having no criminal or immigration violations, providing proof of ties to your home country such as a job, home, financial assets, or family, and proof of financial means to support your stay. Some applicants may require a medical exam, and a letter of invitation from someone in Canada may be needed. Individuals involved in criminal activity, human rights violations, organized crime, or financial or health risks may be denied entry. Special documents are required for minors traveling alone or with non-parents. To apply for a visitor visa, first gather the required documents, which include your passport, photos meeting specifications, proof of financial support, travel itinerary, letter of invitation if applicable, biometrics if required, and other supporting documents based on country-specific requirements. You can apply online through the IRCC portal or submit a paper application at a Visa Application Center, VAC, in your country. The fee for a visitor visa is CAD 100 per person, and biometrics cost CAD 85 per person. You can pay online through the payment portal. If biometrics are required, schedule an appointment at a VAS after receiving your instruction letter. Processing time varies by country, and additional steps may include an interview, medical exam, or police certificate. After submitting your application, you can track your status online. Possible outcomes include approval, where you will receive a passport request for visa stamping, or refusal, where you will receive an explanation and an option to reapply. When preparing for your arrival in Canada, carry your passport with visa, letter of invitation if applicable, proof of funds, travel and accommodation details, and additional documents if traveling with minors. The border entry process includes identity verification through biometrics if applicable, health screening, and confirmation of your visit purpose. The officer may limit your stay duration depending on your visit purpose. A single entry visa allows entry only once and is needed for specific cases like government visits, short-term studies, or unique travel purposes. A multiple entry visa allows multiple entries within the validity period, which can be up to 10 years or until your passport expires, making it suitable for frequent travelers. A letter of invitation is a supporting document from a Canadian resident and should include full details of the visitor and host, the visit purpose and duration, financial support details if any, and the host's citizenship or residency proof. Finally, apply early to account for processing time, ensure all documents are complete to avoid rejection, stay updated on entry requirements via IRCC updates, and contact Canada's visa office in your country for assistance.